Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Space Nation Oikos token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Space Nation Oikos is a cryptocurrency launched in 2025 and operates on the Ethereum platform. Space Nation has a currently supply of 1 billion with 428 million in circulation. Space Nation Oikos project institution rating is 4.4 and this project audited by Ceritic. Space Nation Oikos token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supplies around 428.48 million OIK token. OIK token is listed on Binance Alpha and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.